Whether it is social media outreach, you're talking to people on LinkedIn DMs, on X DMs, or you're doing cold email, the script is so important to be able to not only understand people's problems, but genuinely empathize and then give them a solution to their problem with what you have done in the past or what you can do for them. So these are just some of the results I've been able to get, sending out around 3,500 emails, around 24% positive reply rate, and have been able to book 3 calls within this process. So this is just showing you what we've done over 2 weeks. We send out typically, honestly, probably a little bit less than 2 weeks. We send out around 500 to 1,000 emails a day, depending on what kind of process we're working with. And our lead list here is 4,053. These are the results that we've been able to get from here, and just going to show you a little bit of the process of what we're talking about in these scripts and why we're doing it this way. So going to get into detail here. Perfect. So looking into the sequences. So you can see I've made so many different variations. I made 6 that we're actively using, 2 that we're not. So here's the first one we'll just go over. So quick question. Hey, first name, we help ad agencies, marketing teams secure 5 clients a month through psychology driven or value based or connection based cold email outreach. This is called a spin tax, where it will send maybe psychology driven one time, value based another time, and then connection based another time. So we are trying to test out different things, but also we are making sure that our deliverability is high because we're not sending out the exact same message to people. So I created a 3-step cold email sequence to show you how it works. Mind if I send you a Loom video going over it? Not desperate, just talking about what we do. This is what we do. This is what I've done for you. Do you mind if we continue within this conversation? So just being able to do that is something that is just not desperate. It shows you what we can do for you, and it leaves a no pressure request to get your foot in the door. If they say yes, you're sending in your lead magnet, and then what you're doing from there is trying to get them on the booked call from that point. You're not jamming a book call down their throat. You're absolutely leading with value. So the next one, probably pretty similar. So this is a little bit more direct. Company name, X Catalyst Creators, the subject. And then, hey, first name, we'll bring you 10 leads a month through our cold email system, or you don't pay. Guarantee is obviously very powerful. This is probably our most replied to script that we've had. So mind if I share some of our best converting, highest performing, most effective scripts and how we personalize them for, and then list out their company. So this is what it would look like if we're talking to Nathan. Hey, Nathan, we'll bring your team 10 leads a month through our cold email system where you don't pay. Mind if I share some of our best converting scripts and how we personalize them for new prospective marketing? So you're able to see a little bit of what it looks like. I'm not going to send that. You're able to just get a good idea of that. Now, next, going into this, hey, first name, I've put together personalized or custom or strategic email script you can use to sign your 5 next clients. You can plug and play this into your cold email campaigns. Notice I'm saying that they could just plug it right away, and they don't really need me to continue doing this, but I want to bring in so much value that they want to bring me in. We've done this for marketing and CRO agencies to get them an average of 6 leads a week. If I'm not going with 5 or 10, sometimes it's better because then it sounds more calculated, more specific, and actually accurate. Mind if I send it over? So just another version of kind of what we're doing here and a little bit different variability in what we're checking. So next one, this is a little bit similar to test B because it's been our highest performing script. Hey, first name, we got a media agency, 10 qualified leads in 9 days using our AI email engine. So you're a very similar company in the space and wanted to see if this would be worth a chat. So it's just very straight and to the point. We said, we've done this for someone very similar to you. We can do this for you. And do you want to discuss that? So it's just something that's really just getting right to the point, and it's not really pressing too hard on them, but it's also showing that we've done this for similar competition as well. Maybe even including the word competition could be a way to challenge their beliefs and just want them to be able to get more into the process, kind of more on that empathy side. You want them to think, oh, if my competition's getting this, why am I not getting this, or I'm missing out? Next, quick question. Hey, first name, my team sent your website. Really impressed with the work you've done. I know most marketing agencies have been struggling with booking in qualified leads through cold outreach because most keep their messaging incredibly general. We're helping 4 more ad agencies sign their next 5 clients, completely done for you. Personalized outreach in your brand's voice. Would this be worth a chat? So again, I like saying, would this be worth a chat? Because I'm not saying let's get on a call. I'm just saying, would this be worth your time to look into further? So just respecting their time is something that's very important. Of course, people are very distrustful of cold messages at first. There's so many spams, so many links, so many phishing hacks where everything's going on around them. So you want to be able to just go in with a very confident yet approachable approach. You want to be able to have that kind of leverage where you're saying, we've done this for people, we could do it for you, and here's what we have. Lastly, would this be worth your time? Just the subject. Just like I was saying before, we just want to see if it'd be worth their time. So just ask them right from the beginning. Hey, first name, I help agencies, teams, like, see, I already made a mistake. So I help agencies like company name, book 4 to 9 qualified calls a month without wasting money on ads or spamming DMs. Fully done for you. We fill your calendar or you don't pay. Would this be worth a chat? So what I've done here is I've split test. The 3 of them are the guarantee and 3 of them are the non-guarantee. And then I'm going to be able to see in the coming weeks what is performing better. Of course, my assumption from what I've seen so far is that the guarantee will work better. But of course, we're going to be able to test it out, see what it looks like once we get specifically more numbers. Now, I guarantee testing is not fully done until you have maybe around 2,000 emails per each variation that you use. But of course, you're able to gauge what's working and what's not from the numbers, which is what we've done for clients in the past, is we go through specific tests that we think are going to be either A or B is going to be more successful. And then, of course, we leverage more into those campaigns. So this is exactly how you write some good scripts. Of course, empathize, understand your market, and then be able to talk in a way that they want to hear, something that is going to be worth their time. So you want to be able to respect their time, empathize with them, and be able to understand how you can help them and how you can build trust with them to make them understand that you are someone that can genuinely do the job. Next, just a couple follow-ups I want to run through. Hey, first name, we can help sign you the next 3 to 5 clients with cold email. Instead of pitching you, I put a 3-step email sequence you could use to test in your campaign. Mind if I share it here? So this is similar to like the first campaign that I showed you, or the first script, which is more of a lead magnet. This is actually done increasingly well. And then this is more of that psychological approach. I think I had it somewhere here. Yes, this is also more of the psychological approach. So it's pain point, process, solution. And the reason for that psychological approach is we're doing the research behind the scenes where we're digging into the pain points. Then we're going through the process of what the company does and framing the company, like whether it's Catalyst creators or other clients that we've worked with, as the solution to their problem. So this is exactly why we do it. A lot of people say that the guarantees and lead magnets work best. Underratedly, psychological perspectives and empathy have been one of our best performing scripts. So do recommend checking this out. And then lastly, kind of one of a last ditch effort for the follow-ups, I recorded the video explaining you can sign your next 3 clients with this approach. Mind if I share here, as well as, is this a roadblock for you? And kind of still going along that psychology route. So we've split tested throughout this campaign, number of different areas, but you should be able to take a lot of this information and then be able to understand how you can leverage this, not only for email campaigns, but for specifically LinkedIn campaigns, X campaigns, and be able to use that kind of messaging through the systems we've talked about before, which is Drippy and HeyReach, and then be able to input those into your campaign so you're able to bring in leads on demand through this kind of automation system.